This is Tourniquet, an adapter for your iPhone 5 and 5S that allows you to use Canon and can adapt to use Nikon lenses. Tourniquet adds a cinematic effect by giving you a shallow depth of field, making what's in focus more sharp and distinct, mixing in a little yin-yang, making your content more rich and raw. iPhone adapters are just now stepping into the scene and starting to be used in music videos and feature films. If you haven't looked into other iPhone adapters on the market, you should. They are doing some incredible things and are worth every penny. Tourniquet is made with a focus screen designed for the Canon 5D Mark III, which is mounted perfectly so it can interpret images from your lens on your iPhone.